freaking did it. We hit 1,000 subscribers. Boom! Woo! Got all the confetti. Thank you everyone so much for helping us get to this point. We achieved 1,000 subscribers in 7 months. It seems like a long time for some, but for me, I feel like 7 months isn't a long time to achieve 1,000 subscribers. The first 1,000 is gonna be the hardest. I just wanna take a minute to thank everyone who has helped me to get to this point. Obviously, all of my subscribers, but the people who really helped me be able to achieve and put content out here on Storm Garage. First off, I want to thank Foos Jr. because if it wasn't for Foos Jr., I wouldn't have the Joker Miata. It wouldn't be purple, or if it was purple, it'd be done really, really terribly because I would have fully painted it by myself. He sprayed it on. He did an amazing job. The car turned out awesome. It's a little dirty, but it turned out super sweet. If you don't know who Foos Jr. is, go look back at the beginning of the channel. He's there. Don't know? Check it out. I want to thank Wiscoat Refinishing as well for this awesome, all this powder coated stuff. There's powder coated subframe underneath, powder coated wheels, powder coated calipers. Everything that's underneath this car that's metal that can be powder coated is powder coated, and it looks awesome. All of it came out super great, so if you need powder coating, make sure to go to those guys. I also want to thank my man David for helping me pull the engine out of the Joker Miata originally. If it wasn't for David helping me on doing that, I probably would have killed myself with the engine. So thank you, David, for helping me and being all stuck up in the garage with all the terrible, terrible gas fumes that we had everywhere and gas that we had spraying out of the fuel rail. All right, now only one more fuel line and then we can pull the engine out.
Sketch.
She won't stop. So thank you for helping me with that. And just really everybody who's helped supported since the beginning, you know, buying stickers, buying t-shirts, everything you can do to help. It really helps me be able to buy better equipment, better lighting, more parts for the car to be able to do installs on the channel here. It really just helped me be able to keep driving forward with this channel and being able to make some awesome Miata content and just automotive content in general. Yes, we're gonna be doing a super awesome giveaway here thanks to Alex Todd from SNS Mazda and Scotty Simsa from Spinnywoosh Graphics. We'll get into that in a minute. First off, I just want to let everybody know a little bit of an update on the channel and the Joker Miata itself. So even though winter's coming up here where I am, there's going to be a ton of stuff that we're going to do to the Joker Miata. It's going to be gone through and ripped apart again on the bottom side because there's little bits of rust in areas that I don't like. So I'm going to pull the whole PPF, the transmission, I'm pulling the whole underside of the car out so I can go ahead and grind everything down, clean it down, and put rust inhibitor all over the bottom of it to go ahead and clean this thing up and make it as nice as possible to prevent any future rust, even though I don't drive it in the winter. There's going to be an upcoming video with me installing the side skirts, a bunch more unboxing videos for the automotive subscription boxes coming up. There's going to be an install video coming out for the Avalon King ceramic coating that this car has over it, which is pretty awesome. An install for this bad boy, this 6-speed transmission out of a 2004 NB Miata. Hopefully the Joker likes having 6 gears instead of 5. And yeah, just whatever other awesome things I can think of to go ahead and put on this Miata or to do with this Miata. There's a lot of learning. I may build an engine over the winter, I may not build an engine, and a bunch of other secret videos I still have planned, so stay tuned for all that awesome stuff that's gonna be coming up as well. So I'm also gonna be doing a 1,000 subscriber Q&A, so if you have a question that you wanted to ask me about the channel or anything in particular, go ahead and comment it down below, and I'll answer it in the giveaway winner announcement video. Alrighty, let's get into the giveaway stuff. So there's gonna be 3 winners for the giveaway here. The first giveaway prize is a $50 gift certificate to SNSMazdaParts, thanks to Alex Todd, or a Underglow Kit from Spinnywoosh Graphics. Or if you don't want the Underglow Kit, you can get one of his Broadway mirrors with a custom decal on it, and he's gonna throw in some other stickers as well with that. And you'll also be given a sweet, sweet Storm Garage t-shirt from Redbubble, along with 3 of my stickers of your choice, whether you want 3 of the Storm Garage logos, 3 of the Joker Miata, whatever you want, I'll send those out your way as well. The second place winner is going to be almost the same thing, another $50 gift certificate from SNS Mazda Parts, as well as the Underglow Kit or Broadway mirror if it wasn't selected in the first one, and 3 Storm Garage stickers for that. No Storm Garage t-shirt for second place though. And third place, if nobody chooses the $50 gift certificates from SNS Mazda in the first one, or if both people choose the gift certificates for SNS Mazda for first and second place, then third place will have either the gift certificate or the Underglow choosing from Spinnywoosh Graphics and 3 stickers as well. So there's a lot of chances to win here. And all you have to do to enter is comment down below, like the video, and subscribe and share it with your friends. Simple as that. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put everybody's name together and put it in a random generator and pick from there, and I'll announce it in my next video on who won all these sweet, sweet items. And if you win any of these places and you don't want any of the prizes for some particular reason, which in that case you shouldn't enter if you don't want it anyways, then go ahead and send me a message on Facebook or Instagram and I'll make sure to pass the prize on to somebody else who does want it. I just want to thank everyone again for helping us get to over 1,000 subscribers. I think as of this morning we're at 1,050 subscribers. Been a blast to get here. Ton of fun making all the content that we have, all the tutorials, the unboxings, you know, all the vlog videos that we have with Luke, David, Hayden. Ton of fun doing this with all my friends, and I have a ton more stuff to do. There's so much more content to come in the future here. I'm just glad over 1,000 of you can be a part of this and we can go ahead on this journey together until the heckin' 10,000 subscribers and then 50,000 subscribers and then 100,000, and everybody loves me out of videos, right? Come on. Who doesn't like Miata videos? Especially dudes with purple sunglasses who drive Miata. So like, what can get better than that? Yeah, that's all we have. Thank you guys. Go ahead and comment, like, subscribe, and get that heckin' free stuff. Just get it. Take all of it, and you're gonna enjoy it. Peace out.